Hey, it's Stephanie, and I would love for you to do a short, simple yoga flow with me. We'll be on our hands and knees, and if you would like to do a little cat-cow breath to get started, go ahead and do that. And then extend one leg, toes on the mat. Let your opposite arm float up to the ceiling as you inhale, and then exhale and thread it underneath or behind your other arm. Maybe enjoy that twice, and then spin your foot back and let your other arm come up for a nice little stretch there along your side body, and then we'll take it to the other side. So do the exact same thing with your opposite arm and leg, maybe twice just because it feels so good. Spin your foot back, let your other arm come up past your head for that wonderful side stretch. Maybe do a shortened down dog by lifting your legs and hips straight up, and enjoy.